equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. In this tutorial, we will delve into the warranty process for the Asus GX703H and provide you with a step-by-step guide on how to maintain your device effectively. First, let's gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a can of compressed air for cleaning. Begin by ensuring your laptop is powered off and unplugged. Remove the screws from the back panel using the Phillips screwdriver. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. If you find this process daunting, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always reach out for assistance. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Be cautious not to damage any clips. With the panel removed, you can now access the internal components of your Asus GX703H. It's essential to keep this area clean to prevent overheating and ensure optimal performance. Using the can of compressed air, carefully blow out any dust and debris from the fans and vents. This step is crucial as it helps maintain airflow and cooling efficiency. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your device. Next, let's check the battery and connections. Ensure that the battery is securely connected and that there are no loose cables. If you notice any issues, it's best to consult a professional. We provide a quote before repair, so you'll know exactly what to expect. After cleaning and checking the internal components, carefully reattach the back panel. Align it properly and press down until you hear the clips snap into place. Replace the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightened securely but not overly tight, as this can damage the casing. Now that your Asus GX703H is clean and reassembled, it's time to power it on and check for any issues. If everything runs smoothly, congratulations! You've successfully maintained your device. However, if you encounter any problems, don't hesitate to reach out for help. Remember, with our service, there are no calls, no travel, making it easy for you to get the support you need. In summary, maintaining your Asus GX703H is essential for its longevity and performance. Regular cleaning and checks can prevent many common issues. If you ever feel overwhelmed, our professional services are just a call away, ensuring you have the support you need to keep your laptop in top condition. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.